Hello everyone, welcome back to Vega English. In today's lesson, you'll learn 1,500 essential vocabulary words that you need to speak English more fluently, with clear, real-life examples to help you remember each word easily. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for daily English practice. Now, let's get started.
Asleep. Asleep.
In a state of sleep. I fell asleep on the sofa. I fell asleep on the sofa.
Aspect. Aspect.
A particular part or feature of something.
Trust is a big aspect of any relationship. Trust is a big aspect of any relationship.
Assist. Assist.
To help someone to do something. 2 nurses assisted the doctor during surgery. 2 nurses assisted the doctor during surgery.
Associate. Associate.
To connect one thing with another in your mind. This brand is associated with high quality. This brand is associated with high quality.
Association. Association.
An official group of people who have joined together for a particular purpose. He joined a sports association. He joined a sports association.
Assume. Assume.
To think or accept that something is true without having proof. Don't assume things without asking. Don't assume things without asking.
Assure. Assure.
To tell someone that something will definitely happen or is definitely true so they feel less worried. She assured me that I was safe. She assured me that I was safe.
Atmosphere. Atmosphere.
The mixture of gases around the earth or the feeling or mood in a place. The restaurant has a nice atmosphere. The restaurant has a nice atmosphere.
Atom. Atom.
The smallest unit of a chemical element that can exist. Everything is made of atoms. Everything is made of atoms.
Attach. Attach.
To fasten or join one thing to another. Please attach the file to the email. Please attach the file to the email.
Attempt. Attempt.
An effort to do something. They attempted to solve the issue quickly. They attempted to solve the issue quickly.
Attend. Attend.
To go to or be present at an event, meeting, or place. I will attend the meeting tomorrow. I will attend the meeting tomorrow.
Attention. Attention.
Careful thought, listening, or watching. The new product is getting a lot of attention. The new product is getting a lot of attention.
Attitude. Attitude.
The way you think or feel about someone or something. Your attitude can change everything. Your attitude can change everything.
Attorney. Attorney.
A lawyer, especially one who represents people in court. They met their attorney before court. They met their attorney before court.
Author. Author.
A person who writes books, articles, or other texts. He wants to become a famous author. He wants to become a famous author.
Authority. Authority.
The power to give orders and make people obey. Only the boss has authority to approve this. Only the boss has authority to approve this.
Automatic. Automatic.
Working by itself with little or no human control. This machine is fully automatic. This machine is fully automatic.
Available. Available.
Able to be used or obtained. Tickets are available online. Tickets are available online.
Average. Average.
The usual or typical amount, level, or rate. The average temperature is 25 degrees. The average temperature is 25 degrees. In a state of sleep.
Asleep. Asleep.
A particular part or feature of something.
Aspect. Aspect.
To help someone to do something.
Assist. Assist.
To connect one thing with another in your mind.
Associate. Associate.
An official group of people who have joined together for a particular purpose.
Association. Association.
To think or accept that something is true without having proof.
Assume. Assume.
To tell someone that something will definitely happen or is definitely true so they feel less worried.
Assure. Assure.
The mixture of gases around the earth or the feeling or mood in a place.
Atmosphere. Atmosphere.
The smallest unit of a chemical element that can exist.
Atom. Atom.
To fasten or join one thing to another.
Attach. Attach.
An effort to do something.
Attempt. Attempt.
To go to or be present at an event, meeting, or place.
attend, attend,
Careful thought, listening or watching.
attention, attention,
The way you think or feel about someone or something.
attitude, attitude,
A lawyer, especially one who represents people in court.
attorney, attorney,
A person who writes books, articles, or other texts.
author, author,
The power to give orders and make people obey.
authority, authority,
Working by itself with little or no human control.
automatic, automatic,
Able to be used or obtained.
available, available,
The usual or typical amount, level, or rate.
average, average.
Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this video fun and interesting. If you haven't already, feel free to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our latest videos. Wishing you all an amazing day. Take care and see you next time.